Hey guys, it's Steven with Beyond Clean. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to properly maintain your freshly ceramic coated video. On the description below, I'm going to have different products that I recommend that you purchase to go in conjunction with your maintenance of your vehicle. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me by phone, email, social media, and I will gladly help you with your maintenance. You want to have two buckets to start. One bucket is going to have soap and water, and the next bucket is just going to be clean water. This is called the two-bucket wash method. I'll show you how we do that next. For ease of you washing your vehicle, I strongly recommend that you purchase an electric pressure washer at the bare minimum. You can go to Home Depot, get a Ryobi for about 120 or 130 bucks, which is going to greatly reduce the amount of time that you spend on the vehicle. The first step that you want to do is to wash off the vehicle. This is not going to have any soap, anything, whether you're using an electric pressure washer, a gas pressure washer, or just your hose and spigot. You want to wash off the dust and grime as much as possible off the vehicle first. The reason you use a pressure washer during that stage is because it's a lot faster, especially than just using a hose without one. You never want to wash the vehicle in direct sunlight unless you have the experience, which is what I'm doing right now. So try to wash it in the shade, first thing in the morning or later on in the evening. Wear gloves and wear some eye protection. First thing I'm going to do is get the water with the soap, and I'm going to go kind of fast, but you just want to wash from top to bottom. Now that I've done that, again, this is in direct sunlight, so I actually have to go pretty fast. Now it's time to wash all the soap off. Again, traditionally, you don't have to dry a vehicle that's coated. You would just use a blower, a shop vac, compressed air, and the water is going to blow off. But because, as you can see, there is zero water movement, I know the coating has failed. It is what it is. So what I'm going to show you is how to dry it by hand, and we'll go from there. This is a quick detailer. The only benefit to a quick detailer, leave no protection behind, which you won't need any protection if your car is ceramic coated anyway. This is to provide lubrication. So you want to mist on wipe. When you get microfibers, you always fold it like so. This is your microfiber, and there's a ton of different brands. If this is your microfiber, you fold over once like so, and then you fold in. This will give you 8 areas to wipe, meaning that you have a dry side, flip, dry side, flip, dry side, etc. It's really that simple. All right, so we're completely dry outside of the windows, but we'll hit that with some isopropyl, which is I'll put it in the description also, which is a very good way to get your windows clean. Don't buy Windex, buy anything. You're going to use half distilled water, half 91% isopropyl or alcohol. Anyways, so I'll show you guys this real quick. She looks great. The coating has failed. I let the client know. We'll see what he wants to do. But the coating is 100% failed on this. Off of camera, I did an iron decon. Sometimes your coating gets clogged, which is why you have to come in for the 1-year maintenance. We take care of that for you. But yeah, this coating has completely failed. There is zero water movement on it, unfortunately, but she looks great. So literally, if the car was coated, I would have had this washed and dried with a shop vac in literally 5 minutes. 10 if I was going slow. And again, this is a smaller sedan. You'll be a little faster if it was a 2-door, a little bit longer if it was a truck or SUV. I hope you guys enjoyed that short breakdown on how to properly maintain your vehicle. Number one, you're gonna wash it off. If you have a pressure washer, it makes it easier, but you can just use your hose. wash off the vehicle first. Get as much debris off the vehicle as you can. After that, you're going to have 2 buckets. One bucket is going to have soap and water. The other bucket is going to have clean water. You're going to dunk your rag into the soap and water bucket. Once you spread, once it's time to get more soap, you first go in the clean bucket with just water, wring, soap, go. That prevents any type of dirt or debris getting into your soap and water, which you want to be as clean as possible. If your vehicle is large, you may want to work in sections. You may want to just do one section if you're not really comfortable. But for the most part, you're going to soap up the entire vehicle, wash it off. Well, since your car is ceramic coated, yes, I showed you the quick detailing method, but honestly, to save a bunch of time, you simply use a leaf blower. Use your shop vac. Use compressed air because the water will simply glide right off. In the description, as I said prior, there's going to be some products that I recommend you purchase, and also some tips and tricks if I can think of anything new that I haven't put in this video.